Yeah, so I'm out here in New Haven, Connecticut. It's my first time out here. Food truck actually lined up on this little strip. It's like a little harbor type of thing, but it's all these food trucks. It's all like taco, burritos, and all that, etc. I'm gonna take a little walk soon and check out and see what's good going on. Taking a quick smoke break. I just want to show you the scenery I'm at right now in New Haven, Connecticut. And the food trucks behind me over there, as you can see. So all a bunch of tacos, burritos. So there's a bunch of taco trucks, to be honest with you. So I know there's a lot of taco truck in Connecticut. So let me see. The truck I'm trying to go for is that one right there. So I really want to try the Cuban sandwich. But yeah, check out the scenery again. New Haven, Connecticut. Yeah, but stay tuned. I'm gonna go get some food after this. About to try some Cuban bread out. Like I was saying. Let's see what I want that right there. Cuban sandwich, Cubano. $8. I'm gonna have to try it out. I'm gonna try the Pinchos. The Pinchos, I don't know what it's called. Try it. Yeah, so I got the pork. I guess that's the pork and the chicken and a Cuban sandwich. It's my first time trying a Cuban food. Lovely food truck. They're grilling over there, doing the damn thing. So this is look, steak taco and chicken taco. This is a different food truck actually. It's the further one down there. But already put this hot sauce. How much was this? Like $1? Like $1?
$2 taco.
Transylvania.
So this is a $2 taco. Test it out. Look, I like it. Might destroy it. Yeah, want some? I don't want to eat it all.
I want this all either.
Still got my other food, but alright. Cheers. Taco. I'm not gonna eat the chicken taco. Save my appetite for my Cuban sandwich and my pincho pollo. What's going on, y'all? Trying out. I guess they give you the bread too. So this is the pork right here. $3 for this. $3 for this. Let's see. Look at it. This is. Yeah, I'm taking a bite of the chicken. Test it out.
You called me after.
Wow. You go. Juicy, flavorful. The bread. I like it. It's really good. I'm trying to pork now. This looks kind of hard, but chicken's way better. Way better chicken.
Can I try it?
Yeah, after.
Okay.
Alright, let's try my Cuban sandwich. I've never had a Cuban sandwich before. I see this a lot on the food channel. On the food, you know. Look at it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. First time having what's it called? Sandwich Cubano sandwich. Let's take a bite and test it. Pretty good. Interesting. Very interesting. I like it though.
What? Fingerling.
It is good. Not bad.
Fingerling.
I'll definitely buy this again. It's actually good. Especially get the Pinchos Pollo. This is good too. $8. Not bad. Pickles and stuff. Pickles help out with the Alright. I'm enjoying my food.
Peace out.
I'm enjoying my food. Thanks for watching. It's my little travel vlog. You know me. I love to eat.
Now record me.
So like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Stay tuned. Peace.